what really happens inside a modern mango juice factory. Behind every bottle of mango juice lies a highly controlled, high-speed industrial process where thousands of mangoes are transformed into smooth, refreshing juice every hour. From inspection to packaging, every step is powered by advanced machines, strict hygiene standards, and precision engineering. Today, we take you inside a real production line to uncover the complete process of how mango juice is made in a modern factory. The process begins as trucks loaded with fresh mangoes arrive at the factory. These mangoes are quickly unloaded and transferred to the raw material inspection area. Here, the first level of quality control takes place. Each batch is carefully checked for ripeness level, color consistency, size and weight, external damage or defects. In modern facilities, this inspection is done using both human expertise and automated scanning systems. Any mangoes that do not meet the required standards are immediately rejected. Only high-quality fruit is allowed to move forward into production. Once approved, the mangoes move on to conveyor belts that carry them into the sorting and grading section. Here, advanced optical sorting machines analyze each mango in real time. Using cameras and sensors, the system evaluates surface color, shape, and ripeness. Based on this data, mangoes are automatically separated into different categories. This ensures uniformity, which is essential for maintaining consistent taste and texture in the final juice. After sorting, the mangoes enter a multi-stage washing system. This is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. The washing process includes initial rinse to remove loose dirt, high-pressure water spray for deep cleaning, sanitization using food-grade disinfectants, and final rinse with clean water. This process removes dust and mud, chemical residues, bacteria, and microorganisms. After washing, powerful air blowers dry the mangoes before they move to the next stage. Fully automated machines take over this stage. These machines remove the outer skin, cut the mango into pieces, separate the seed or stone. The entire process is extremely fast and precise. Automation ensures minimal waste, maximum efficiency, and high hygiene standards. The result is clean, uniform mango pieces ready for pulp extraction. The mango pieces are now fed into industrial pulping machines. This is where the transformation begins. Inside these machines, the fruit is crushed, pulp is separated from fibers, and remaining seed particles are removed. The output is a thick, smooth mango pulp, rich in natural flavor and nutrients. This pulp forms the base of mango juice. The extracted pulp is passed through fine filtration systems. This step improves the texture by removing excess fibers and tiny solid particles. The goal is to achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. Depending on the product type, the pulp may be further refined to match specific quality standards. Natural mango pulp can vary in taste and thickness. To ensure consistency, the pulp is transferred into large stainless steel tanks for mixing and standardization. Here, precise quantities of ingredients are added: water to adjust viscosity, sugar to balance sweetness, stabilizers if required. Everything is measured using automated systems to maintain exact formulation. This step ensures that every batch of juice has the same taste, color, and texture. To ensure safety and long shelf life, the juice undergoes pasteurization. In this process, the juice is heated to a controlled high temperature. Harmful bacteria are eliminated, and the juice is rapidly cooled afterward. This preserves flavor, nutritional value, and freshness. Pasteurization is a critical step in modern juice production.
The pasteurized juice is now ready for packaging. It is transferred to automated filling machines operating in sterile environments. These machines fill bottles or cartons with exact quantities, seal them immediately to prevent contamination. This process is completely touch-free, ensuring maximum hygiene. After sealing, each package is labeled. Labels include brand information, nutritional facts, manufacturing and expiry dates. Coding machines print batch numbers for traceability and quality control. The finished products are grouped and packed into boxes. Robotic systems or workers arrange them efficiently for safe transportation. Packaging ensures protection during shipping, easy handling. Before leaving the factory, random samples are tested again. Quality control teams check taste and aroma, color consistency, and packaging integrity. Only products that meet strict standards are approved for distribution.